The year 2023 was the warmest year on record. Why so much heat in the atmosphere in this year? Well, the weather pattern of El Nino played a role, but the major culprit is the heat trapping gases which are in the atmosphere. So when the sun's energy reaches the planet, much of it will later dissipate back into space. But the more heat trapping gases there are in the atmosphere, the more of this heat will remain trapped around the planet, and the warmer the planet then becomes. These heat trapping gases are often referred to as greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide is a heat trapping greenhouse gas. The more carbon dioxide there is in the atmosphere, the warmer the planet will be. And human activity, primarily the burning of fossil fuels, the deforestation of the trees which trap carbon dioxide as they perform photosynthesis, and other processes such as cement production. All of these increase the amount of carbon dioxide in the air, and the year 2023 had a record amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. You can see that its level continues to increase. There are other greenhouse gases as well. Although not as abundant as carbon dioxide, many are more powerful. They have a higher, what is known as a global warming potential. For example, 1 kilogram of methane absorbs as much heat as 34 kilograms of carbon dioxide. 1 kilogram of nitrous oxide absorbs as much heat as 298 kilograms of carbon dioxide. And there are other molecules which have far greater levels. Sulfur hexafluoride has a global warming potential of 23,000, absorbing as much heat as 23,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide per kilogram of sulfur hexafluoride. In 2023, methane levels reached record levels. Methane can come from landfills as our garbage decomposes, in the production of natural gas, in agricultural practices, such as, for example, the production of rice produces a great deal of methane. Nitrous oxide is released from agricultural processes such as the production of fertilizer and in animal waste. Sulfur hexafluoride is produced in electronics. And in the year 2023, methane levels reached a record high. Nitrous oxide levels reached a record high. Sulfur hexafluoride levels reached a record high. And so, as heat trapping gases continue to increase and increase in their concentration in the atmosphere, we are observing a steady increase in global temperatures.